In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix drift on PlayStation 5 controller Edge. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of DualSense controller, I'm gonna give you some instructions on what to consider when trying to fix strict stick drift. So first, I'm going to teach you basics that will help you address these issues, and then I'm going to talk about alternative solutions if you believe that none of these helped you solve any sort of stick drift that you are having. So the most common method to fix it is to clean the module. So to begin, release the cover plate here on the front. You can find the latch at the back, and upon releasing this cover plate, you will be able to expose these levers. Then bring them upwards, and this will release the actual joystick unit itself. So you can do this with the left and right joystick individually. So remove the cover plate by using the release latch, pull up this lever, and then remove that specific joystick. Now to clean it, you can use something like compressed air and isopropyl alcohol plus some Q-tips. So all that you have to do is clean it gently. Do a circular motion around the stick module and make sure that there's no dust or debris. So use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris around the base of the stick module, and you can use a cotton swab Q-tip lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean around the stick. After this is done, install it. So it is just going to be the opposite. You place it back into place, pull down the lever, and then reattach the cover plate. There's no secret to this. Test it again and see if it works. You should do the same with the left and right joystick, of course. Now, if it still does not work, something that you can do is a very basic restart. Oftentimes, restarting the console can help fix temporary glitches, and of course you can also reattach or repair the controller itself, so completely forget the connection by going over to the accessory settings. If it still does not work, then the best course of action would be to purchase a replacement stick module. The entire purpose of the DualSense Edge is to be very customizable and allow you to replace the modules as needed. So if it is still not working even after you gave it a thorough cleaning, make sure to purchase a proper replacement from Sony. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix drift on PlayStation 5 controller Edge. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.